Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to lower iPhone alarm volume. So first what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just go to sounds and haptic, so just tap on it. And here you will see the ringtone and the alerts. And as you can see, there is a volume bar right here, and if you turn it down, what you can see, if it will be on silent mode once it's on the very first part of it there. And as you can see, you can just go on and on this. And you can also change with buttons. So basically, if I turn this on, I can use my volume button to adjust the ringtone and alerts. But I don't want that, and so I'm just gonna turn that off. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.